See the example problem 11.1. The two thigh bones, femur, each of cross-sectional area 10 cm square, support the upper part of a woman body of mass 40 kg. Estimate the average pressure sustained by the femur. In this problem, they give two femur. Each of cross-sectional area is 10 cm square. So, the total cross-sectional area of the femur is 2 into 10 cm square. So, that is 20 into 1 cm square is equal 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. And mass of the woman body is given. So, that is 40 kg. Here, weight on the femur, that is force, is mg. So 40 into, here g is 10, that is called 400 Newton. So here we have to find average pressure on femur, that is P average is equal force per area. So that is equal, here F is given, that is 400 by area is equal 20 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Here 0, 0 cancel, 2 ones are 2 20s are. So here we can get 2 into, here it is 10 to the power of minus 4, take numerator, that is 10 to the power of 5. So here P average is equal 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. See the example problem 11.2. What is the pressure on a swimmer 10 meter below the surface of a lake? In this problem, the swimmer is 10 meter below the surface of the lake. So here we have to find what is the pressure on swimmer. So here depth is given, so that is h is equal 10 meter. We know density of water rho is equal 1000 kg per meter cube, and we know g is equal 10 meter per second square. Atmospheric pressure we know, that is 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. So here at h depth, the pressure P is Pa plus rho gh. So here Pa is given 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 plus rho is 1000 into, here g is 10, h is 10. So that is 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 plus, here it is 10 to the power of 5. So 1 into 10 to the power of 5. Therefore, pressure on swimmer P is equal 1 plus 1, 2.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Here 10 to the power of 5 Pascal is equal 2.013 atmosphere. So that is P is equal to atmosphere. At surface of lake, pressure is atmospheric pressure, that is 1 atmosphere. Below 10 meter depth, the pressure is 2 atmosphere. So that is double, or it is 100% increase. The pressure is increased by 100%. See the example problem 11.3. The density of the atmosphere at sea level is 1.29 kg per meter cube. Assume that it does not change with altitude. Then how height would the atmosphere extend? In this problem, they give the density of the atmosphere at sea level that is rho is equal 1.29 kg per meter cube. We know G is equal 9.8 meter per second square, and atmospheric pressure PA is equal 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. So here we have to find H. So we know atmospheric pressure PA is equal rho GH. So here PA is equal 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5. That is equal rho is equal 1.29 into G is equal 9.8 into H. So from this, therefore H is equal 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 by 1.29 into 9.8. If we simplify this, we can get H is equal 7989. So meter. So that is H is equal 8 kilometer. See the example problem 11.4. At a depth of 1000 meter in an ocean, first one is what is the absolute pressure, second one is what is the gauge pressure, third one is find the force acting on the window of area 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter of a submarine at this depth, the interior of which is maintained at sea level atmospheric pressure. The density of seawater is 1.03 into 10 to the power of 3 kg per meter cube. G is 10 meter per second square. In this problem, depth of the submarine is given. So that is called H is equal 1000 meter, and density of seawater is given, that is 1.03 into 10 to the power of 3 kg per meter cube, and we know G is equal 10 meter per second square, and atmospheric pressure PA is equal 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. So here first one is we have to find absolute pressure. So that is equal P is equal PA plus rho GH. So therefore P is equal, here PA is equal 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 plus rho is equal 1.03 into 10 to the power of 3. Here G is equal 10, H is equal 1000. So here it is 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 plus here we can write this is 103 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. So therefore absolute pressure is equal, here 103 plus 1, 104 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. So 10 to the power of 5 Pascal is equal 1 atmosphere. So therefore P is equal, absolute pressure is equal 104 atmosphere. See the second one. Here we have to find gauge pressure. So that is P minus PA, that is called rho GH. So gauge pressure PG is equal, here rho 1.03 into 10 to the power of 3 into G is equal 10, here H is equal 1000. So from this we can get gauge pressure PG is equal 103 atmosphere. See the third one. The pressure outside of the submarine is PA plus rho GH. Inside of the submarine is PA. So the pressure difference is rho GH, that is gauge pressure. So PG is equal rho GH. So the pressure on submarine is rho GH. So the area of window is 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. So that is 400 centimeter square. So that is 400 into 1 centimeter square is equal 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. So that is 0.04 meter square. So force on window. So that is PG into A. So that is here PG is equal to 103 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal into here A is 0.04. So therefore we can get force on window F is equal 4.12 into 10 to the power 5 newtons.